Hello student. Today we will see the FIBSc Computer Science semester chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Database System. I, Professor Sheetal Jagtap, Assistant Professor in KK Granwood College. We will discuss on the topic Introduction to Database System like database management system, level of abstraction, data models, database languages, types of user and function and their structures. In this session, today we will see database management system and level of abstraction. What is a database? Databases are nothing but the collection of interrelated data which sets the program to access that particular data. A database contains the information about a particular enterprise that provides an environment that is both convenient and efficient to use. In another way, database is a collection of organized interrelated data, typically relating to a particular enterprise. DBMS is a set of programs for managing and accessing that particular database. Some popular database management systems are like Oracle, IBM, SQL Server, Sybase, Informix, Access, Cache that all are used in a commercial use. And there are some open sources like MySQL, PostgreSQL. Anywhere there is a data, there should be a database. There are some applications that are used in a database like banking, airlines, universities, sales, manufacturing, human resources. There are some data like accounts, loan, customers included in a banking, reservation schedules like airlines, registration grades for universities, customer product purchase that are used in a sales, production inventory, orders, supply chain for manufacturing, employee records, salaries, taxation reduction that all are used in a human resources. Purpose of database system. If there are some redundancy, inconsistency, that time we use a database. There are some multiple files and formats, that time we are used a database. Some new programs to carry out each new task, that time we use the database. There are some integrity constraints like becoming embedded throughout the program code like account balance is greater than 0. There are such types of examples included in a database. Levels of abstraction. There are 3 levels of abstraction like physical level, logical level and view level. In which physical level. Internal level is the lowest level of data abstraction. Internal level describes in detail how the raw data is actually stored at the byte level using a complex low-level data structure. It also describes the access path for the database. Database systems hide many of this lowest level storage and access details from the database program at the end user. Logical, that is called as a conceptual level. Logical level is the next higher level of data abstraction. Logical level is used by the database administrator to describe what data are stored in the database and the relationship between those data. Here, the entire database is described in terms of relatively simple, easy to understand structure like data tables, key indices, etc. It describes the relationship between the different data stored in the database, the operation possible on this data, and any constraints or rules that imposes on the data. The third level is view level, that is also called as the external level. View level is the highest level of data abstraction. View level deals with the way of particular user application program use the data from the database. Each view level is used to describe a part of database that a particular user group into the heights and rest of the database from that user program. Physical data independence is the ability to modify the physical schema without having an impact on the logical or a view level. Physical data independence is the importance in any databases. Similarly, one could define logical data independence, but that will not be a meaningful. Next topic is differentiate between schemas and instance. Schemas, the overall description of the database, is called as a database schema. Actually, DBMS has a three-level architecture like physical schema, logical schema, subschema. In which physical schema it is the lowest level, that is also called as a physical level, whereas logical schema is the next or intermediate level, which is called as a logical level, and subschema it is the highest level that introduced as a view level. A schema is an outline or a plan that describes the records existing at a particular level. Schema diagrams display only some aspect of schemas like the names of the record types and their data items and some types of constraint. The description of database is called the database schema, whereas database changes over time when the information insert or delete. That concept is called as an instance, in which a collection of information is stored in the database or at a particular moment is called as a instance of the database. There are various topics introduced in a information of database that we will see